The hummingbird is the only bird that can fly in any direction. The unique architecture of its wings enables it to fly forward, backward, straight up and down, or to remain suspended in the air. Therefore, in mid-flight, it can stop to investigate flowers and other sources of food. Many hummingbirds are beautifully colored. Male birds more than females, especially on the throat and head. This brilliant coloring is caused by their iridescent feathers, which reflect colored light. The colors seem to wink on and off, and even change hue as the bird turns its head from side to side.